You see, Jacques, let me quickly tell you something. Churchill was not the best prime minister in the world. He had Neville Chamberlain, he had all those orators and those people that were coming from class. But Winston Churchill became the prime minister when the world went to war. And because he was an admiral in the Navy, he was the only one, in my opinion, qualified that could go and lead the country into the Second World War. That's a fact. So in certain times in your life, you need to put the right person with the right skill, with the right attitude, with the right mechanics into place. And at this current time, hear me well, I'll say it. This country doesn't need a diplomat. This country doesn't need a guy that can make nice speeches. And I'll tell you why. Can I tell you why? This country is in a state of undeclared domestic war. Moet ek dit weer sê? En niemand wil dit sê nie. Maar ek sê dit. En ek het bewyse. Die Suid-Afrikaanse Republiek op hierdie oomblik is in 'n staat van onverklaarde domestiese oorlog. Ons is in daai staat op hierdie oomblik en nie een mens wil dit erken nie. Ons hou ons bek en ons sê dit is crime, dit is kriminele. Jacques, in watter land gebruik hulle AK-47's? In watter land gebruik hulle plofstof? In watter land gebruik hulle AR-15's en R5'e in kriminele situasies? In watter land? Daai wapens word gebruik in oorlog. Behalwe in die Republiek van Suid-Afrika, waar daai wapens gebruik word om te steel, te roof en te moord. Die dag wat hierdie mense, en hulle het nie die ballas nie,